I say you, sir! What day is this?
Today, sir, it's Christmas morning.
Good, I haven't missed it. I haven't missed it. Reese, wake up, it's snow. Oh. Wow.
Following the era of ours today, we're unable to perform in the Felinfach today, so that's been cancelled. But more important subject has come to mind now, and Unit 7 is currently en route to Llanelli to pick up fellow comrade Rhan Jones, who's been the victim of an RTA.
Shmai Owain. Iawn, diolch. So, sy'n rhyw neges gyda ti pawb ar cast for waleS sy'n yn mynd i'r gogledd?
Pob lwc gyda i'r pobl yn y sioe yn y bala a blatwnog ac cael y siwrna saff i fyny ac nôl y fawr.
Diolch yn fawr i chi, Owain.
Wel, ar y funud ni ar y ffordd lan i Ogledd Cymru, ond mae'r sioe heno wedi cael ei oherio, ond fydd y sioe bore fory dal yn mynd lan yn ysgol Blatwnog, so gweithio mae gynulleidfa Wresog yn croesawu ni bore fory. Ond am heno ni'n mynd i jyst mynd i'r gwesty a jyst
cael couple of beats yna.
Falle jyst mwynhau gyda'n gilydd fel a bod yn ffresh ac yn barod i berfformio fory.
Look at Jobe wearing his game top. Bender.
What does Jobe look like? Gay.
This is a...
After 3, 1, 2, 3, gay.
Unfortunately, I'm the one that will be editing this. Like, I've got a feeling it's not going to make the cut somehow.
Beth sy'n darllen eto, Thomas? Oh my
God. Really good.
Can everybody just say what a wanker after 3? 1, 2, 3, what a wanker. That was Beethoven's Bells Are Ringing, wasn't it? Da 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 da.
Oh my god, it is hard. Not again. Oh, allwch chi dyn ôl i fi, please?
Okay.
All I want for Christmas is you.
Bam. Badam bam. Badam bam. Badam. Badam bam ba 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 ba.
Hang on. On 3, everyone. 1, 2, 3. What a wanker.
Well, I'm not doing it again.
Dum dum.
Because some of us are happy, not like grumpy old
Come on, Grumpy.
Well, that house that you drove into.
I thought about, but I can't remember it.
Oh no, it's gone. Hold on. What's cerdded ni mas fel pen fi fynd? Thank you for the tea. I've been fel, oh my god, this teapot has lost its cover.
This teapot is naked.
We have a naked teapot downstairs, don't go down.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
I'm sorry there.
Faint oedd Malibu a Coke ti?
Wel, oedd 2080 yn diwedd, ond yn gyntaf wrthon ni weithio mas faint o Pepsi o'n i moyn mas. Oedd yr Malibu yn dod lan fyna, Ond wedyn fi wedi ofyn wedyn ni. Fi'n gofyn i fi. Eto, o'n i pasio yn ymlaen. O'n i moyn y lan i fan hyn. Neu wedyn ni, o'n i fyna, neu falle fyna. Rwy'n gwahanol, nhw gyd. Ond wrthyn ni mas yn y digwydd, 20 gyda'r ia.
And there's my glass of red wine there, priced handsomely at £5.30. Last one I'll be having tonight. Only by Badeiros eisiau talu am i. Oh.
Chicken korma, please. Chicken korma, please. Chicken korma. Chicken korma. Chicken korma, please.
Well, I might not pay him back, to be honest. I didn't really enjoy that meal. Where are you? There you are. Well, one does one's best in such a situation, you know.
Ryan's that way, Joe.
Yma na gogledd. Dach chi 'di ffindio winkies ta?
Na.
Na fo?
Na.
O, dach chi lwcus. Elen, di ffindio winki?
Na.
Na. Carly, di ffindio winki? Na. Bethan, di ffindio winki? Na. Thomas, di ffindio winki? Na. Iros, winki? Do!
Singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with bells of holly, rocking around. That is a good Christmas song, actually.